Now that we have our player moving, we should work on our camera, because right now, yes, our player can move, but our camera is staying still, and our camera is not following our player, which is not good. One easy way how we can manage that mechanic is to just simply drag this main camera into our player. So let's drag and drop into our player, and our player will become parent and our main camera will become child of it, as you see. And now if we hit play, our camera will follow us, which might sound nice and might look nice, but we will have some weird rotational issues, and it's really not the best practice to make our main camera to follow our player like this. So I will take my main camera out from my player, uh, just like it was before. And instead, what we gonna do, we will be using Cinemachine. It's just Unity's one of the Unity's programs, which allows us to easily easily create virtual cameras, which we can easily control, and very simple way. It's very simple to set up. We just need to go in the window, package manager. We just need to change this to be on Unity registry. Let's wait for a while, for a minute or so. It just takes few seconds usually, and after it ends refreshing and so on, we just need to type in the search box here Cinemachine, like this. I already have this Cinemachine installed in my project, but and you see this remove button, but you will see install button it's instead. So just click on that install. It will take few seconds, and then you can close this panel, and then we can go in the empty space of the hierarchy panel. We can hit with the right mouse, and here we will see Cinemachine. And let's create virtual camera. Now we have new smart camera. Basically, first thing that we should do, you see here, if we select this camera, you see here this follow slot, and we just need to drag and drop our player there. And now if in the game view, let's see how it looks like. It looks bad actually. So what we can do, we just need to adjust our camera, and I can't say exact numbers how your camera should be positioned, because it might be different for you and for me. Just play around with it. We also can change rotation on the X for our camera, and yeah, I think it looks all right for now. We can work on our camera later as well, but just make something like this. We can take it little bit up and rotate it little bit, like so. We can also take it little bit back, and I think it's quite nice to have this main camera, this virtual camera, because it's very easy to set up, as you saw, and it's especially very nice when you try to prototype your games fast, and you can always change this main camera, but even if you leave this Cinemachine camera, it will work just fine. So let's save our script scene.